Hello, welcome back to Tormented Souls. From where we last left off, from where we last left off at having finally solved that fucking puzzle. So with the sound, we are now making our way. We're going to try to make our way to the library again. Not the library, but operating room. Okay. Yeah, where we last left off, we need to find some more bolts. Oh, that's lovely. Alright. But we need one of these keys. Alright, so now then. So we're going to need to go. We'll need to get back over here, probably. Here, we gotta get here. And that'll take us down here. Okay. Next, electronic doors unlocked. Alright, yeah, I'm probably gonna have to use that same boat, so gotta use the elevator. Alright. Alright, so now that the elevator is here, we gotta uh so it goes back up on me, okay. So then our archives requires one of those special keys I don't have. So yeah, I just got. But since I opened up the gate over here, yeah, the dressing room's locked from that side. From the side. So I have to take this. So I have to somehow get the boat from here into here. I know. I know how. I know exactly how. Open. Yep. Alright. That's what that fucking servant cart's used for. Gotta be quick. Alright. Grab this. Let go. And quickly. Uh. Cutscene or. Oh no. Fucking controller disconnected. Alright. Alright. And now to make my way back to the main hall. Alright. And now to see what's on the other side of that fucking door. Not this one. Okay, it's dead. Alright. Alright, now to find out what's on the other side of this fucking door. Now I can get in there. Ah, so I can also return back through reception now. Alright. So that unlocked everything. Okay. Now now to go into this fucking West Wing. What what horror awaits here? Okay. Stand in the dark. What the fuck are you? You're fucking new and I don't like you. Holy shit. Fucking remind me of the Regenerados from fucking 4. Quick. Alright. I'm actually on 2. Why is it saying I'm... Anyways. So, anesthesia... This is the anesthesia and disinfectant room. No, this is to get to the disinfection. Alright. Fucking hate dark. Microscope. Morphine. I'll probably have to come back and use this later. So when I got something. Alright. This is the anesthesia room. Alright. Alright. How many did that give me? I'm probably going to want to be at full health for this. I don't know, but I probably need to get the fuck out. That thing's gonna come to fucking life, ain't it? What? Okay, you have some things to...
What's going on here? Why is that weird man walking around the operating table with that weird chandelier in his hands?
Yes, you have a lot of explaining to do.
What are you talking about, child? I don't see anything.
You're not... You're telling me you don't see this shit.
See the man on the other side of the glass?
I just saw you flicker.
My child, this place is giving you hallucinations. You must rest.
I don't
No.
know what's real or what is a product of my imagination, Father.
Let me tell you a story. Hundreds of years ago, this island was inhabited by a tribe. One night, the moon could not be seen in the night sky, and the world was plunged into darkness.
Okay.
The men of the tribe, those with special blood, danced around their dead, willing their bodies to rise and walk the earth once more.
That sounds terrifying.
So this must be the shotgun. It's a... Alright. Alright. Good thing I came there. Don't hear anything. I'm probably not supposed to come this way. Yeah, alright. So what's up? Can I come in? Yes, okay. Might as well unlock this while I'm here. Okay. Nope. Nope. Oh, it's fucked up. Man, that's a fucked up face. Don't tell me I'm going to bring this motherfucker to life. This is the blood of the chosen twins. Tizimit legend is bound with the magical blood that courses through the veins of twins, allowing them to communicate with each other by thought alone. Some even claim that brothers and sisters could appear next to each other in seconds across incredible distances. It is not surprising that the first explorers to arrive on the island called such gifted younglings witch children. Unfortunately, they seldom survive 10 or 11 summers once chosen for sacrifice. However, the most striking tale is that of the nights when no moon was in the sky, the nights when the little twins would be sacrificed. The children would dance, torch in hand, around the tribe's deceased while the remaining tribesmen extinguished their torches. With the ritual, the dead would walk the earth again for at least for one night. Thank you for allowing us to interview Dr. Bertram. Wildberger, we are very aware that this is particularly delicate time for you and the people of Winter Lake. Do you have any information about how the fire began? Experts are working hard to find the answer. Unfortunately, we are still waiting to discover the cause. Well, it happened now that the hospital is completely lost. As director of the hospital and so ungrateful for everything life has given me, I am currently working on accommodating the hospital's need within my mansion. This, of course, will be temporary, at least until we manage to construct a new hospital building. I have also spoke to kind donors who will be providing equipment and furniture. How generous of you, Director. I am merely God's servant. I exist to do His will. So, guess we gotta flip this. I gotta flip this to go into the fucking, back to the fucking observation room. Nope. It's telling me what I gotta do. Alright. Gonna have to... Before we do this, better think of a fucking escape plan path. Alright, so I gotta walk around it counterclockwise in the dark. Gotta remember the doors are right there and right there. To the right and to the left of the switch. But how fast is this thing going to be? You know what? I hate to leave you in suspense like this. But don't sit still there. I hate to leave you in suspense like this, but well, as I was saying, I hate to leave you in suspense like this, but because since I have to raise that thing from the dead, and so much can happen, and it's been probably very quickly, that it might want it taking a whole episode just to fucking get out of that room. So unfortunately, I have to leave in suspense and end it here. But join me next Friday as we raise the thing that's probably going to be chasing us throughout this place. And I'll see you next Friday. If you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you want to see more content like this. This is Saul the Wolf. Have a terrible night and pleasant nightmares.